Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or completely lost when it comes to crypto trading? Maybe you've been excited about all the opportunities you hear about. But when it comes to actually making money, it feels like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That was me not too long ago. I remember diving into the world of crypto, full of hope and ambition. But honestly, it didn't take long for reality to hit. I was watching my portfolio drain faster than I could comprehend. I spent countless hours on YouTube, trying to decode strategies and patterns, only to end up more confused than when I started. Those candlestick charts with their red and green lines, they might as well have been hieroglyphics to me. That's why when I came across Keder Cormier's Crypto Trading Gods course, it immediately caught my attention. Here was someone who didn't just talk about the wins, but shared the struggles, the constant losses, the doubts, and that turning point when he decided to take control by learning the skills himself. Keder's story felt so relatable. Like many of us, he started by blindly following advice from random sources and chasing quick wins. And like many of us, he faced loss after loss until he realized something critical. Trading isn't about luck. It's about having a proven system, the right mindset, and the discipline to follow through. Now, let me tell you what stands out about this course. First, it's not just another generic crypto guide filled with outdated theories or overly complicated jargon. Keder built this program based on his real-life experiences, what worked, what didn't, and how he turned things around. It's like getting a direct blueprint from someone who's already walked the path. Inside the course, you'll find step-by-step video lessons that break down the strategies Keder uses to trade successfully. One of the things I appreciate most is how accessible the content is. Whether you're completely new to trading or have some experience but are struggling with consistency, this course meets you where you are. Keder dives deep into risk management tactics, something that's often overlooked but is crucial if you want to trade without constantly stressing over every market move. He also focuses on helping you develop the mindset of a successful trader. Because let's be honest, crypto trading can be emotional. It's easy to let fear or greed dictate your decisions, but with the right mindset, you can stay grounded and focused. One of the highlights for me is how this course equips you with skills that go beyond just the current market conditions. Keder emphasizes that this isn't about making money during just one bull run. It's about becoming a skilled trader who can navigate both bull and bear markets confidently. Now you might be wondering, does this actually work? Keder doesn't just promise results. He backs it up with real testimonials. Students of the program have reported consistent wins and even life-changing success. It's inspiring to see people who once struggled now making thousands of dollars a day using these strategies. If you're tired of relying on others to handle your crypto or feeling stuck on the sidelines while others make moves, this course might be what you need. It's an opportunity to take control, learn the skills yourself, and stop depending on anyone else with your investments. So, if you're ready to transform your trading game, this could be your next step. The crypto market is full of potential, but as Keder says, you need the right knowledge and tools to take advantage of it. Don't let another bull run pass you by without making the most of it. Alright, that's my take on Keder Cormier's Crypto Trading Gods course. If this resonates with you or if you've already tried it out, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.